Welcome everybody. Today we are going to have English with Brad Pitt. Okay, very good. So, to start today we are going to have a tongue twister. Okay, so what I need you to do is to listen to the tongue twister first. Listen, please. Okay, I am thinking of 3,333 things. Now listen and repeat. I am thinking of 3,333 things. Now faster, please. Listen and repeat faster. I am thinking of 3,333 things. Faster. I am thinking of 3,333 things. Very good. So repeat as many times as possible to have the pronunciation correct. Very good. So let's continue. So today we are going to be talking about the future. Very good. Okay. So my plans after COVID-19. Okay, so my plans for the future, right? We're going to talk about the future. So my plans are after COVID-19, I am going to visit the beach. Okay, yeah, I'm looking forward. I am going to visit the beach. I am going to do karate. Yeah, I'm going to do karate. I'm going to go to the gym again. Very good. Okay. My plan is I am going to walk in the park. Yes, I want to walk in the park. So my plan is I am going to walk in the park. Very good. Okay. So now, what are your plans? What are you going to do? Okay. So now, how do you say that in English? How can you express future plans? What is the structure? What is the form? What do you use to express the future? Do you know? Mm, do you remember? Okay, that is what we are going to talk about today. So to talk about the future or express future plans, we use be going to. Okay, be going to. So let me explain you a little bit more about be going to. The expression be going to is used to express plans for the future. Okay, so be is going to be am, is, or are, right? Let me show you some how it's going to work. Look at these examples. Where are you going to walk tomorrow? I am going to walk in the park tomorrow. Sam is not going to walk in the park tomorrow. Anna and Sam are going to walk in the park tomorrow. Are you going to walk in the park tomorrow? Yes, I am. So here you can see the sentences, examples. Now what I need you to do is to pause the video. Pause the video and in your notebook write the structure. What do you think? What is the structure of the sentences? Okay, so please pause the video. Okay, if you are if you are here with Brad Pitt, it's because you are already finished. Okay, if not, pause the video again. Okay, let me show you the structure of the sentence. For affirmative sentence, we are going to use first subject. Okay, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, or a person, right? The name of a person. Very good. And then after this, we use the form of the verb to be correct. So I am, you are, he is, she is, etc. After the verb to be, we are going to use the verb going to. So we are going to say, I am going to, you are going to, he is going to, we are going to, etc. And after going to, we need a verb in simple form. See? A verb in simple form. Always the verb in simple form after going to. Let me show you one example. We have I am going to walk. Very good. Now, what about negatives? What do you think is going to be the negative form? Exactly. In the negative form, we are just going to add not to the verb to be. So the structure is going to be like this. Subject, Verb to be with not. I am not, you are not, she is not, it is not, they are not. Of course, then we are going to use going to. Okay? Of course, we can use the verb to be in a contraction. For example, we can say he isn't going to, or we aren't going to. Okay? And then, after going to, again, a verb in simple form. Remember, always the verb in simple form. So let me show you an example. We have, I am not going to walk. Okay? Very easy, right? Okay. Now, what about questions? What about interrogatives? Okay, so as you know, in interrogatives, we just move the verb to be to the front. And then after the verb to be, we use the subject. So we have am I, are you, is he, is it, are we, okay? After this, we use again the verb going to. So we say, is she going to play? Are we going to wash? And of course, then we are going to have the question mark. Okay, very important, the question mark. And don't leave Brad Pitt out of the square. Okay, so let me show you one example. The example is he going to walk? You see, is he going to walk? Very good, okay. So these are interrogative sentences. But what about information questions? Okay, very simple. For information questions, we just add the question word to the front. Where, why, when, who, okay, what, how, any other question word to the front of the sentence, and we have the information question. Okay, very easy, right? Very good. So now we have all the information. Let me ask you some questions. What's the form of the principal verb? What do you think? What is the form of the principal verb? Hmm. Okay. What do you think? Can you answer? Yes. The form is simple form. Always the verb in simple form. Very good. So, what do we express with this tense? What do we express? Routines? Abilities? No, we express future plans. Okay, excellent. Now, what's the expression to express plans for the future? What is the expression? Yeah, the expression is be going to. Be going to. Okay, very good. Okay, so we got all the information. Now, let's do some homework. What are your plans after COVID-19 lockdown? What are your plans? Personal, so personal information. Your plans after COVID-19 lockdown. Mhm. Okay. What are you going to do? What are you going to do after COVID-19 lockdown? Hmm. Okay, so you are going to do, I need you to write 5 activities you plan to do. So write 5 sentences to express your plans after COVID-19 lockdown. Write them in your notebook and then you are going to share them in our next Zoom session. Okay? Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.